Welcome to the Video Marketing Agency Blueprint. So we have 4 sections here that we're going to be going over in this course. Section 1 is going to be an introduction into the Video Marketing Agency course blueprint. We're going to talk about the different types of marketing videos that you can create for clients. And then section 2, we're going to go into the Video Marketing Agency Business Foundations. We're going to go over the business model, the different tools you're going to need to get set up, and then the 2 different types of video marketing projects that you're mostly going to be working with. And then I'm also going to show you and walk you through different marketing services that you can also sell to your clients and then have a white label outsourcing company do all the work for you. I'm going to walk you through that specific resource. It's fantastic where you literally are able to get a client on board for like a video. And then if you want to upsell them to additional, paid ads or SEO, you can go ahead and do that and then have another company do all the work for you. And then we're going to go over the most common video creation tools. I'm going to walk you through some of the most common ones out there. There's a lot of them out there, and some have a large learning curve and some are very easy to use. So I'll walk you through which ones I recommend. And then I'm going to walk you through the best video creation tool. I'm going to walk you through how to use this tool and how you're able to create videos within a matter of seconds. And then where you can go and actually find outsourced video creators. So you want to make sure that you are most likely not doing the work when you're first getting started. You want to be able to have an outsourcer that's taking care of the work for you so that you're focused on bringing clients in the door. And then I'm going to show you how to position yourself as the expert video creator. And then I'm going to show you how to create a logo, how to install WordPress, and then how to set up your video agency website. And then section 3, we're going to go over how to get clients. I'm going to show you the best places to get clients, how to get clients from Facebook groups. I'm going to share with you some email templates. I'm going to share with you how to go out and find business email lists, right, from different categories, different niches. And then how to create a business email through G Suite, how to price your videos. I'm going to walk you through a booking software, and then how you're able to collect your payments from your clients. And then section 4, we're going to go through the deliverables. So I'm going to show you how to deliver your website projects. I'm going to show you a project management tool and several tools that you can use to keep track of your projects. And then I'm going to provide you with a video marketing agency business agreement. So this is a contract that you can send to your clients whenever you're signing them on for a video project. So I'm excited for you to get started, and we'll see you on the next video.